crazy. My fucking god. Who that is? Gee, what's good, YouTube, bro? It's a boy like, hey, my motto is if you stay fresh, you stay positive. What you talking about? Hey, how y'all niggas doing? Hey, nigga, listen, fuck. I got the shirt off, nigga. I got the shirt off today. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all can see my fucking tattoos, nigga. If you don't care, hey, you know what I'm saying? Look, I'm looking strong, ain't I? Nigga like me need to hit the gym. Fucking god. Let's fucking go, nigga. Hey, hit that sub, hit that like, get tapped in. Y'all want it? Hey, listen, nigga. The fuck? Oi.
What?
I only know Hezi got. That's all I know. I don't know none of these niggas. I don't know. Literally none of these niggas. Nigga. We're playing this corny. Alright, I'm about to say, I'm about to turn off the video, nigga. Come on, Hezi. You gotta get on that shit. Come on, bro. Oh yeah. Move, boy. Fuck you talking about? Hell no. Oh shit. Is other people gonna be in this motherfucker? They got referees in this bitch. Oh my fucking god, nigga. And one.
And he wiped his sweat with his shirt. Oh my god.
Bro, who is these ugly ass niggas?
I would go for 10.
Bro, who is these African ass, beaver the butthead ass niggas, bro? Get these niggas off the screen. The fuck? Move, boy. Good ass move. That nigga. Hey, Hezi lost? What the fuck? Why that nigga legs? That nigga doing jumping jacks. Oh shit. That nigga think he Klay Thompson. What? Move. They got referees in this bitch. They taking this shit serious. Oh my god. This is bro, he is cold, bro. He blowing up off this shit too. You can make hella money. He a internet basketball player. That's crazy. Oh my fucking god. Yeah, that's Klay Thompson right there. God. Yo, hey, y'all comment down below. This nigga,
Here we go.
this nigga go to the Denver High School or some shit. This nigga played in like college or some shit. Or a different pro league. I don't know none of this. I ain't gonna cap. I don't know what the fuck is going. Can y'all niggas play, bro? Oh, alright. What the fuck? Tell me that shit it. They gotta get rid of this. They gotta get rid of this music, bro. This is not this is not the Avengers, nigga. We hooping. The fuck? Good ass move. Oh my fucking god. What the fuck? Okay, nigga. Move. What the fuck? Nigga. Oh, I thought that nigga was Kobe Keaston. Hey, if y'all niggas know who Kobe Keaston is, alright, let me start playing. Oh shit. Oh. That little fruity ass. That little pretty ass shot. What the fuck?
We live.
That nigga body shape is 0. I thought that nigga had a body shape, bro. What the fuck? That nigga got a Klay Thompson face and a fucking Nikola Jokic body. What the hell? here they go. Here they go with this choir ass music. We just switch it up. Okay. Oh shit, you fucked that nigga up. It won. This nigga said it won. How that nigga shoot like that? What the fuck? Oh shit. Oh shit. Where Hezi at, bro? Oh my fucking god. Good move, boy. Oh shit. That nigga gotta be a little fruity. I don't know why this nigga seem like, oh shit. Give me that shit, nigga. Baby ass nigga. You used to look around. Nah, nigga, that shit tough. If y'all hoopers, bro, and y'all know y'all get blocked off a shot, bro, that's the worst feeling, bro. Like, cause you feel like you a little motherfucking kid, bro.
Great recovery. Let's go. This is it. This is it.
Man, point. Alright, no, nigga. You ain't got no respect on your name, nigga. Fuck you talking about. Hey, nigga. Fuck. Hey, y'all. Hey. Comment down below, nigga. What y'all want me to react to next, bro? I'm finna start getting the game. I'm finna start streaming this shit. We finna be lit in this motherfucker. Bro, what the fuck? So y'all about to hit that sub, hit that like, get tapped in, cause we growing fast, nigga. We finna be out this motherfucker lit. And I'm lit for y'all niggas. I'm finna be, hey. I'm turning up, nigga. Turning up. Hey, y'all youngers remember, speak life to existence. And if the hate is coming at you wrong, bro, tell them this here.
Wow, I can't believe that you cannot get my name right after all these years. I can't believe I got more names than you. You don't got none.